Hey guys, back out here with my son's Arrma Granite voltage. As you can see, I made some changes here with the wheels. The other ones were kind of warped out pretty bad, so I ended up picking up these from Amazon. Really nice, 20 bucks I paid for them. Let's see what else I got going on. As you can see, the body has taken some damage from the last bash section. Wasn't too bad, but apparently it was bad when my son got a hold of it. So definitely on my son's Christmas list, we'll be getting a new body. I did end up gearing up. It was running the 16 tooth, ended up going to a 23 tooth. That's about the biggest that I could fit with the mounting holes on the motor and the mounting holes that's on the chassis itself. So we'll see what type of speeds we see with that 23 tooth, especially considering I'm running some crappy 3S lipos. They're really small, nothing out of this world. As you can see from my previous video, I was running the Avonic 3000 milliamp 3S lipos. So not very powerful. So hopefully I see 30 miles an hour, but we'll see. Another thing I added was this fan that I had from a previous Arrma car. I think it was the Infraction 3S. I pulled the motor off of that and the heat shield, and then I just took the fan off of that and just mounted it here. Ran it, I had to do some soldering here, and then ran it up here and connected it to the receiver. So that actually works out perfectly. As soon as I turn on the car, the fan turns on. Not that I really need it, but just threw it in there just in case. I don't think I'll be experiencing any overheating issues with a 23 tooth pinion and the 3000 milliamp lipo that I have for this. So let's go out, get some tests done, probably do a speed run and some more bashing and see how we do. All right guys, got the Granite voltage out. Gonna make this first test. As a reminder, we got that 23 tooth pinion. That's the best that I could fit in there. Couldn't go any larger due to the mounting setup on the voltage and the mounts themselves on the motor. Also got these Amazon special $20, I believe $25 tires. So let's go ahead and give it a quick rip and see how we do. How far like my speed cars. Right straighter than my speed cars. That's funny. See how I did. Stop. Read. 31. Not bad. We did 26 last time at the school, right? Yeah. All right, 26. So that's what, a 5 mile an hour improvement. Just by gearing up to the 23 tooth. I'd be surprised to see what it would do if we were able to kind of go up to that 25, possibly 35 miles an hour. Who knows? I know these lipos ain't that great. I'm sure if we actually switch out these lipos, put something in that's got a little bit more punch, we'd probably see something closer to 35. All right guys, I'm gonna let my son bash this thing around a little bit out here so he can get used to the speed, and then after that we'll close out the video.